What is going on out there, peeps? All right. I know you people over there at Wall Street Silver can't appreciate this picture. This is an actual coin. If you guys go to Power Coin, they're really expensive, but this is a 2 ounce coin. That's called the Mountain Gorilla. It's really nice. Really nice. Anyways, I thought you guys might get a kick out of that. You guys know if you're thinking about buying precious metals, go over and check out our friends at Money Metal Exchange. The link is down below in the description. If you are a first-time buyer and you spend over $100, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and get a free half ounce of silver. You might want to jump on that bad boy. You guys know I got a new platform, Pimpy's News Network. The link is down below. Come on over there, join me. I posted a plethora of videos yesterday under the category of the audit. Go support our friends over there at Wall Street Silver. All right, you guys. The links for their YouTube channel as well as their Reddit page are down below. I love going over to the Reddit page and looking at the pictures of the silver. Okay, really nice. Go support them. Send them some love. You guys know to make sure to watch out for the fake Pimpy investment post. Mine has a circle around my name, gray or usually sometimes black, but I won't be sending you to WhatsApp either. All right, you guys know I got Pimpy's Investment Chat. It is the same name as the YouTube channel. Over here, we do talk about gold, silver, cryptocurrencies, as well as foreign currency investments. Come on over here and join us. It's free to do so. Okay? So, woke up this morning and I was like, oh God, something must have happened because I can see people posting stuff to me. And lo and behold, oh, there's something happening. But let me show you something. Here it says jobless claims unexpectedly rose from a week earlier. 412,000 Americans filed, more than expected. $360,000. So more jobless claims are being filed. Now, on that news, you would think that people would start pinching their money and putting it somewhere safe. Oh, I don't know, like gold, silver, or heck, even cryptocurrencies. They started to make a little rebound last night for some reason. They are going in the wrong direction as well. But it's not just so much that we're going in the wrong direction, and my guess is they're trying to scare speculators into giving up their precious metals. Don't fall for it. I told you, even if it falls down to $1, don't fall for it. I'm not falling for it. Right now, it just looks to me like gold and silver is about to go on sale. Silver was teetering around, or I should say gold was teetering around the $1,900 mark, and now all of a sudden, it's at $1,778. Silver's at $2,610. But is that the real price? Is that the actual? Let's look at live. Refresh this bad boy, and then let me show you something. So last night, I should say 2 o'clock yesterday in the afternoon, silver is at $27.71. A half day later, it is down to $26.11. That's almost a $2 drop in the value of silver. These guys are trying to hurry up and cover their short contracts with as cheap as silver as possible. Plus, they're trying to scare speculators. Newbies see this and they panic and they sell. Don't fall for it. Hold. Don't you dare part with your silver. Don't fall for it. There is a silver shortage. We are coming up on June 28th. We know there's some people out there that have some serious contracts that need covered. They don't have the silver. So they figure by scaring the sheesh out of you, you'll start parting with your silver if they can get it to drop far enough. But seriously, what is the reason for this drop? There isn't one. So it's not the jobless claims that's caused it to drop. Again, look at over here. You can see the chart. See, cryptos were starting to rebound. They really were. So as of 12:30 this morning, went up a big chunk to about here. So you can see it's about 38,176, got up as high as 39.48, and then starting to drop back down. Looks like they're starting to try to recover again. But anyways, the point is, what is causing what people would consider the safe havens to lose values? I mean, if you think cryptocurrency is a safe haven, then you have to be questioning this. We see the jobless rate going up. We see jobless claims increasing. But yet, these assets are dropping. Does that look legit to you? Anyways, I looked through here earlier and I was like, I don't see any reason at all, even for cryptos, to be dropping. There's nothing down here that indicates any kind of news that indicates that these things should be dropping, especially with us getting so close to June 28th. Anyways, I thought they would go for it. I'd say this in my videos. Don't be surprised if they start doing whatever it takes to scare you out of your metals. That includes manipulate the price, getting you guys to panic and sell it. Don't sell. Just look at this as an opportunity to pick up some new supply on sale. But seriously, $27.71 down to $26.12, almost about 40 cents off. So it's a $1.60 drop in value. It hasn't even been 24 hours. So no, I'm not panicking. You shouldn't panic. That's why I wanted to do this video early this morning. Get it out there. Don't panic. Remember, we've had this kind of little trick used on us before. Remember last summer when it dropped down real low and people started panicking? And I said, don't panic, it'll go back up. And then we went on a huge run after that. You guys remember that? These tricks used to work in the past. But there's no reason for people to be parting with their metals. There's no reason for the price to be dropping like this. There's no correction. There's no nothing. If anything, we know there's a worldwide shortage on silver. We are very aware that June 28th is coming up. What the hell upholds Obamacare? We took the mandate out. How's that even possible? So again, I went through the news, you guys, and to be quite honest with you, either for Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, or even for precious metals, I don't see anything in here that gives us an indication this can't be it. It's doing the opposite if that's the case. So, anyways, I wanted to let you guys know, for you newbies, look, this happens from time to time. They try to scare you out of your metals because you see the drop in price, and if you hold on to a lot of them and it starts to drop below what you paid for them, people start to panic and they go running over to sell their precious metals. Don't do that. This is when you really want to hold on to the precious metals and then start adding more. Buy on the dip. Buy on the dip. That's what you do with cryptocurrencies as well. Buy on the dip. So I had a great conversation last night. Huh. Anyways, I had a great conversation last night with a guy who was explaining to me why I should have faith in cryptocurrencies. Now, this is another person, not the same as the other. But he went on to explain to me, in his opinion, of why he thinks Bitcoin is still poised to go on a major run between now and the end of the year. He wasn't talking numbers because we don't do dates, we don't do rates. But the way he was explaining it, I couldn't help it. He goes, it's got to go to run. It's going to go on a run, a big run. And I was like, oh, a big run? What makes you say that? He explained it, which is fine. But I was like, what kind of big run? He's like a really big run. He used what I say on me. He goes, no, we don't do rates. So eventually I got him to just put in his opinion and understand it's just his opinion. But man, this guy really does analyze things very well. He was making a push for Bitcoin to hit 100,000 by the end of the year. I was like, oh man, I don't know about that. I just don't see it. But again, the way he was going through the charts and talking his lingo, you can tell he's somebody who really pays attention. So I'm going to finish my lessons with him tonight and hopefully with the other guy. Yeah, I want these guys to really, what I want them to do is just ease my concerns. But the truth of the matter is nobody can. Because the things I'm talking about are legitimate concerns. We speak about them. I spoke about them several times. Can you prevent the government from shutting down your cryptocurrency if they wanted to? No. If they demanded they take your cryptocurrencies and you give it up, can you stop them? No, I mean, it's the government. That's what the answer was every single time. No, it's the government. By the way, in case you guys didn't know it, there's another power outage. It's been 4 days. I mean, internet outage. Something tells me there's something definitely going on. It seems very sneaky that the internet magically just keeps going out. Anyways, I'm supposed to get some news on that a little bit later on, and I'll share it with you, of course. But anyways, I just wanted to touch bases with you. You newbies, don't panic. We're looking at gold and silver. We're looking at a price drop right now, and there's no reason for it. If anything, you should be doing the opposite. When people don't feel secure about the economy, they run to safe havens. So if anything, this would be a good time to buy. It's going to be much cheaper. Think of cost average. Okay? So, yeah, this morning I started getting messages and stuff. I was like, oh, what the hell happened? I said, I jokingly said, oh, crypto people are going to love this. After their cryptos took about a 50% dive. I wouldn't be surprised if they're hoping that happened to ours just so they can go, uh-huh. So, yeah, you guys don't panic. Look, when it goes like this, we want to buy more. That's what we do. We stack more, okay? So, yeah, I'm addressing it. Yeah, don't panic. Buy on the dip, whether it's cryptocurrencies or whether it's silver. If you guys want cryptocurrencies, I do have a link down below. You can follow it, and it'll take you to where you can buy cryptocurrencies. But, again, I've been digging around trying to figure out what's causing this, and I don't see it. I don't see it at all. Not now. Maybe the news will come out a little bit later. But yeah, look at that. You know, you're talking about $1.60 drop in silver. That's ridiculous. Okay, guys, anyways, I just wanted to hit you guys with this video really quick. I've been playing around trying to figure out what's causing this. Nothing that I can see is causing this. It is almost a $2 drop, or I should say $1.60 drop. I get it. If anything, you should be doing the opposite considering the jobless claims. The markets are dropping. Could this be the crash? Because it isn't just cryptos, it isn't just gold and silver. The markets, period, are crashing. Well, I shouldn't say crashing. Let's say dipping. How about that? Is that a fair choice of words? Let's take a look at a Dow quickly. 5 days? Nah. 1 month? Nah, not too bad. Nothing to panic about. All right, you guys, so this happens from time to time with investments. That's them manipulating the market, in my opinion. There's no excuse for a $1.60 drop. There's no excuse for gold to go from, especially right now when there's a worldwide shortage on these metals. And we know Basel III is coming up on June 28th. It's just my opinion that they're just manipulating the market, trying to cause panic, so people will cover or sell their physical silver, and they're going to buy that silver up at a much cheaper price to try to cover a lot of these shorts. They don't have the silver to do it. So just hold, 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 and just know right now is a good time to buy when it's a little bit cheaper. All right? So don't panic. Hang tight. We're all good. Anyways, hit the thumbs up button, you guys, because it helps beat the algorithm. In addition to that, if you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. So that's it for now. I'm out.